stand by for a message from the president. Please stand by.
There's a nuclear bomb coming towards the United States. You guys are urged to leave the United States. If you guys can't leave, please go into a nuclear bunker. I repeat, go into a nuclear bunker. Please go into a nuclear bunker. A nuclear bomb is heading towards the United States. The United States is becoming a living hell. This nuclear bomb will arrive in Philadelphia in 2 hours. If you are in the Boston metropolitan area, you should stay tuned into your local stations to receive local alerts. You guys are urged to evacuate west or south. If you guys evacuate west, you might have a farther chance of dying. You are urged to evacuate west if you are fast enough, but if you can't, go south or northeast towards Maine. This bomb will drop in 2 hours. Please remain vigilant and stay calm during these times.
If you are in the Boston area, you should tune into local radio stations to get more information about this situation. A nuclear bomb is approaching Philadelphia and it will explode in 3 hours. Please evacuate as far northeast of south as you can. If you can't evacuate, go into a basement. If your neighbors don't have an adequate source of transportation, take them. If your neighbors don't have shelter, call 911 and the Massachusetts National Guard will escort. Your local radio station to receive updates on this situation. Evacuate the area. Go northwest toward Maine or south towards Florida. Please evacuate. If your neighbors don't have an adequate source of transportation, bring them. If you don't have transportation, call 911 and the Massachusetts National Guard will guide you to the nearest shelter or facility. Please leave the area. Please leave the area.
Is there a speed of private government? Yes, it is.
The nuclear bomb is coming now. It will explode Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You are urged to seek shelter immediately. Don't look at the explosion. The explosion will blind you. Also, don't turn on your AC or go outside. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear bombs. Fallout can cause harm. It is too late to evacuate. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter and don't evacuate the area. Attack warning red. Attack warning red. Repeating, attack warning red. Attack warning red. The nuclear bomb is coming now. It will explode Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. You are urged to seek shelter immediately. Don't look at the explosion. The explosion will blind you. Also, don't turn on your AC or go outside. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear bombs. Fallout can cause harm. It is too late to evacuate. Seek shelter now. Seek shelter and don't evacuate the area. Attack warning red. Attack warning red. nuclear situation is now done. It was a small nuclear bomb that only damages things within a 50-mile radius. Philadelphia and surrounding cities are obliterated but will rebuild their homes and places. A man with schizophrenia hijacked the EAS to tell people that there's a bomb threat and made ominous messages. An unknown country exploded the bomb to get rid of the US. It could be China or North Korea. People not in a 50-mile radius of a nuclear bomb location can get out of their shelters. People in a 50-mile radius of a nuclear bomb location will have to stay in their shelters for a few more days. Thank you for cooperating with the emergency alert system during this situation.